Now students, good morning. Now here we are discussing today periodic table. What do you mean by periodic table? Periodic table means rearrangement of atom in increasing order of their atomic number, right? That is said to be modern periodic table. And why it is needed to make a periodic table? Because to proper study of element which is discovered in its property and to memorize, so that it is need of to make a periodic table. Like example, in school, if students class 10th or any class students, if they don't have timetable, are they able to study properly? No, because there is a no timetable. So my dear students, this periodic table is also related to for the better study of atoms and their property respectively. So the need of that property to study is making periodic table. Now here this periodic table contain metal, that is this block, two blocks are metal, that is metal. Here atom element which having tendency to lose electron, that is said to be metal. Now see, what is metal? Metal are having tendency to lose electron to form positive ion. These metal are written in a S block, right? Because S block is containing two groups. Why it is two groups? Because according to quantum number, we know that s orbital contain only maximum 2 electrons, because it is not degenerate. Therefore, two groups are classified, and that is said to be metal, and that is S block element. Here in this S block element, metal are arranged in a two group. Here all element show the property to lose electron and show the positive ion, and then here there is a formation of, this is S block, and now this group is said to be, this is D block. What do you mean by D block? D block, it is also said to be transition element. What do you mean by transition element? Transition element because transit electron from one energy level to another energy level for the stability, that is said to be transition. So while transition, it radiate some energy, and that is studied in the form of color, and that is responsible for color, and it is said to be transition element. Then the next block is P block. This P block is for non-metal. Here those elements are filled which having tendency to attract electron. While attracting electron, it forms stable configuration, that is carry negative charge. So that is said to be non-metal. Here from group 13 to 18 is a non-metal, that is P block element. And then there is a two group which is represented at the bottom, that is said to be F block element. This is F block. Here F block element, because here these elements are really, the place of these elements are in D block, but due to its electronic configuration, while writing its electronic configuration, its electron accommodate in F orbital, so that it is said to be inner transition element. And all these elements are radioactive elements, so these properties is very less. Because of all radioactive, its reaction is very fast, so its study is also not possible, so that it is said to be inner transition element.